You want to hack like the pros or test your system security without touching your main operating system? Well, today I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux on a USB and run it like a pro. Like me, you can run Kali Linux directly from your USB without installing it. No installation required, just plug and play. And that's it. Let's turn that USB into a hacking machine. Before we start, here you will need a USB flash drive of at least 8 GB of storage space. But 16 GB is recommended for good performance. Rufus, a free tool to create a bootable USB, and Kali Linux live ISO file. I will also show you how to download that, and of course a PC or laptop that can be boot from your USB. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, we need a Kali Linux ISO file. For this, so simple open a Chrome browser, and at here we simply type Kali. Head over to the official website of kali.org. Now simply type enter and open this first link, and inside this click on the download section. Now you can scroll down and see many services, but we need a live boot, so simply we click on this. Now simply click on this download icon, and you will see our downloading will start. Once it's completed, we download Rufus. So open new tab, and at here simple type Rufus, press enter. Now again open the first link, and now you can see this is the interface of Rufus. Now simple scroll down, and at here simple click on this Rufus 4.9, and you will see it will also start downloading. Now simply we wait to complete this downloaded, so be patient.
A few minutes later.
Alright, once it complete, open the download folder, and at here simple double click on the Rufus, click on yes. Now you can see our Rufus is successfully started. So first of all, in the devices section we need to select our USB drive, and in the boot selection simple click on this disk or ISO image, and now click on the select, and at here simple locate your Kali Linux live AMD file. So simply we click on it and then click on open. Once it's done, and at here you will see your persistence partition size. In persistence partition size you will need to select half of your storage device. So in my case it's 64 GB, so I use at least 38 GB. So 38 GB is enough. If you use a 8 GB USB drive, then simply use 7 or 6 GB. Alright, now in the partition scheme select GPT or MBR according to your system. In my case my system is GPT, so I use GPT. Now you can also change the label of your USB drive, but I leave it as a default. Then simple click on start. Keep in mind all the data from your USB will be removed, so make sure to backup of all your data in the USB drive. Simple it will show the warning all the data on your USB drive is removed. Yes, we simply click on OK. Now also can click on OK, and that's it. It will also take some time, so be patient.
A few minutes later.
After this, plug in your USB into your computer, and now continue pressing your BIOS key. In most laptops and PC it's S9 or S12. Now at here simply select your USB drives, and at here you will see the live system. Simply select the first one and press enter. Now it takes some time, so be patient. Kali is now running from your USB drive. No installation, no messing up with your main system, but you have got the full power of Kali to right at your fingertips. If you want your file settings or tool to stay saved even after rebooting, check out Kali Persistent Boot. I will be dropping a video on that soon, so hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. And that's it. We have just turned a USB into a powerful testing machine with the Kali Linux software. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. If you have any question, leave it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next one. See you. Have a good day.